Alright, now yo, what's up, you guys? So, we're here with Philip's M3 again. So, progress done on it, but right now we're installing this FancyWide diffuser, or Philip's trying to install it. So, I don't think Philip's really clear on what to do, but I think we're just gonna drill holes into it and then see how it goes. I'll show you guys around some of the progress on Philip's M3. What's up, Phil? He's gonna put this on his car. Wait. Carbon fiber? Some weird sounding carbon fiber.
Wrapped with matte black.
Yeah, right? We also got Will here. He's claying his car. But he got the little update on the 911. Got the Titan 7s, dude. On that 4x4 monster truck ride height. It's a little...
Oh, so he had it on his car? So it like worked out for you.
Titan 7s, Will?
One of one though.
One of one? Yeah. What's the sizing, bro?
I don't even know. The rear are like 11 plus 40 or some shit. And then the fronts are whatever Titan 7s is in the front.
Dang, dude.
I can even go wider than this. I thought it would be like...
Yeah. Because when you drop it, you're gonna need spacers, I think.
I was thinking of like 10 more.
Yeah.
But I don't want to roll the fenders in it.
Okay. Alright, now we got Brandon here too. Huh? We got Brandon here. He bought the ramps. Because we're trying to...
Yeah,
Brandon's figuring out how to use a jack. This is doing an oil change on this car. It's still stock.
Still stock.
Just doing the oil change. Putting it on ramps. Because there's nowhere to jack this car up in the front, so... Got ramps, but they're way too high, so...
You need to put more hydraulic.
You gotta turn this more. This is Brandon's first time doing this.
It's my first time.
First time, dude.
First for everything.
Novice, dude. Do you remember, put the ramp the same height as the other one?
It's like just on the corner.
Alright, I gotta do it. Actually, I gotta do it. Brandon's not good enough yet. It's gonna fall down. Alright.
Tell me to do it.
Okay, wait. Give me a...
Yeah, you have like a foot. You have like a foot. Oh! See, it's kind of hard, right?
I'm just sketched to go over the top.
Yeah, no, you have a lot of space.
It's like separate.
What's your better way? Pushing it up?
We're gonna put the jack fully under it in the first time.
Oh, okay. Alright, so none of us could do it. It's kind of hard and sketchy.
Dude, it's sketchy, dude.
It's sketchy.
Breaks off.
Yeah. So you gotta come up a lot. Are they?
A little bit. I know.
Hold on. You're not even on them anymore.
Yeah.
Is he not?
Alright, now you're good.
Come up. You have to come up more.
A little bit more.
Oh!
Yeah, it's like...
Oh shit! Yo, we gotta jack your car up ASAP.
Yeah.
Jack your car up ASAP, dude. Jack your car up ASAP, dude. It's underneath the car right now. Oh my god. Bro, too much gas, bro.
This is real carbon fiber, though.
Yeah, you gotta jack it. Wait, Brandon, jack this up at the same time as Philip.
Okay.
So it's on both sides. Oh shit. Yo, jack.
Where's the jack point right?
Jack it up.
Ready, Brandon?
Yeah, do it. You jacking it up?
Yeah.
Alright, now just pull the ramps out. Just do it so you can pull the ramp.
Did it hurt the...
Oh, it's fine. You're lucky.
I think... I don't know. Is the other side okay?
What's the review? Are these good? I think you just gotta jack up the car fully and just put this underneath it.
That's what you guys are planning on doing.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
But then I was like, oh, I think you could drive it up, but you couldn't. Your
Just
head.
to get the jacks.
Yeah, and so you could there's a jacking point in the middle of the car.
Yeah.
So if you got it on that, then you could put the jack under, I think, and jack it up. Yeah. On the race ramp.
Well, show them the
don't think there's any damage. I doubt it. It's like a little wavy.
It's like you can only see what the light reflects.
Yeah. I don't think you'll. There's like.
Literally, it's only the light.
Woo! I mean, they saw it on the. They got it on film, bro. Yeah. They got it on film. Is it Will? What do you think?
Just, front wheel drive, bro.
Shot it out, dude.
Man.
All right. Good thing we made Will try.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to do it. I think it would just happen no matter what. If we tried.
What was next? What did
Now I can get some.
It was Will, dude.
Your car? How to get an oil change or something? Well, there's like.
Wait, there's no.
specific to jack it up?
There's just no jack point in the front of the car. There's nowhere to jack the car in the front and put a jack stand in there. Yeah.
How do people do oil change on that shit? I don't
They put it on ramps.
Ramps, yeah.
You need to take pics of my car, dude.
Oh, do I?
Oh, that's a nice
Alright.
little.
Good light now, Will, for the photo shoot.
Got it. There's still light, but you're in shade.
Yeah.
That's how you get the no swirls.
Oh, yeah, that's a
I
lot.
have a wing that I just got painted.
Oh, nice.
Phil just got his car back from paint.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh yeah, Phil just got his car back from paint. What'd you paint, Phil?
Your car too.
Yeah.
Your shit's so minty.
Side skirts.
Passenger side skirt.
The hood too.
I had to because there was a crack on the hood.
It looks really. The front looks really new. It does look really good.
New. New?
It looks crispy.
New?
That's it. Oh,
Oh, didn't you get a lip? No, lip and wing.
wait, that's not.
That's not on the car yet, though. Oh, you got the trim painted black?
Yeah. Remember, it was like.
Yeah.
It makes such a big difference. All right, yeah, guys, I need your guys' help.
Yeah, Howard. Howard, your turn, dude.
You just want me to hold it the same way?
Yeah, but I'm only bolting these 5 first, and then we're gonna drill those ones later.
Okay.
Will and I need to do a photo shoot.
Dude, it's just fucking 4 bolts, Phil. You got it.
It's like the 5th time he's like adjusting.
You adjust it and I'll hold it.
Alright, so we're gonna go do a quick little photo shoot because the guy who sold you these wheels wants photos of it. Yeah. The guy who sold Will the Titan 7s wants photos of it on, so do a little quick photo shoot down the street. So we got this little photo shoot spot. The Titan 7s. Dang, you got that shot, Will? Dang.
I think it's this shot at different angles.
Pretty loud. What do you got? You got the middle on? Well, now it can hold itself.
Yeah, can you just.
Yeah. Just gotta drill in the right side. Inside.
What cutter?
Box cutter.
Oh, it's sketchy, dude.
Sketchy.
Woo! Philip's done.
FancyWide.
FancyWide, dude. Damn, now it's gonna go way faster.
The IG handle's going right there.
Put the IG handle there instead.
Yeah.
Finish, Phil? Gotta clean up all this shit, dude.
Why? This is your house, not mine.
So that's Phil's car right now. Fresh from paint. Front end, pretty much new.
I really should have washed my car today.
We got the oil changed, gonna be done tomorrow over here.
Marshall, did you film it when Will did that shit though?
Yeah.
It was funny though, because I was under the car and you guys were just like, just go, go! I looked.
Wait, oh, you saw it?
I saw
you were
it.
watching it?
Literally the thing just slid under the car and I fell on it. I was like, oh shit. I saw, like bend up, I was like,
I mean, it's pretty bad.
My heart
It's pretty
stopped.
funny,
My heart
though.
stopped. That was like,
everyone, you guys just like stopped and you're like, oh, jack it up, jack it up.
I mean,
Like, didn't say anything for like a.
yeah, I mean, 'cause I was just
we were
like,
all like shocked.
I was like, oh shit, what do we do?
Yeah. Staring at it, and it
Yeah.
was like dented inward. I was like, oh my god, that's bad. Alright, now you're good.
Come up, you have to come up more.
A little bit more.
Oh!
Yeah, it's like.
Oh shit! Yo, we gotta jack your car up ASAP.